Here, what's good, cryptocurrency fans out there? Welcome back to the Everything Altcoin channel. Today, we're going to be talking about becoming a Alluvium millionaire. Now, before we get into talking about that, I would like to ask you guys to subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. We're on the road to 20k subscribers, so if you guys would like to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video. Comment what you think about Alluvium. How much do you hold in Alluvium, and what's your price prediction of Alluvium? Now, also, check out the description down below for the free Discord. You guys can join in the conversation of the crypto conversation we're having daily, right? And also you can ask your questions about the Patreon and how it works, right? And how to get into some upcoming projects private sales, because we're getting into some big projects private sales, and this is going to be closed at some point in time, right? We're doing this right here is going to be for people that are getting in right now. They're going to be grandfathered into this right now, and then there's going to be a new tier if you guys want to get into some private sales, right? Because this is very valuable and people are starting to take notice, right? So if you guys want to get to some upcoming project private sales, like I said, join that Patreon, join the Discord, ask your questions about how to get into these upcoming projects private sales, and let's get right into the video. Alluvium is sitting at $41, up 3.6% on the day, with the market cap of $231 million. As you guys can see, very high trading volume. A lot of people love Alluvium as of right now, and you can see from the circulating supply, it is way over 50%, and the total supply is very low, under 10 million tokens, and already 5.6 of that is out. So this is very huge, right? I call this pumponomics. This token is like primed for the pump, right? Once money starts to flow into this, it starts to run fast because there's very low supply in it, right? So let's scroll down really fast. I went down too fast, but as you guys can see, all-time high was $1,911, so it is down 97% on that, and it's relatively close to its all-time low, which was 2 years ago. It's only about a little bit above, below 2x. It's sitting at 41, whereas all-time low was $29. So your guys getting it close to the ground floor right now, right? And of course, let's look at the past 30 days. Nothing too crazy. It's been up and down, fluctuating from the 40s to the 50s, right? 90 days here, same deal here, 40s to 50s. So you guys are getting it at a very big discount right now. So Shay puts out a nice little thread here. Alluvium will have no gatekeeping. It will be accessible to everyone from scholars to professional gamers. Karen and his team of 150 have been developing this AAA game for 3 years, and this is around the time where this game should be coming out. We're going to talk about that in this video as well. Alluvium Zero, mobile city builder game. Alluvium Zero is a mobile and desktop companion game where you can develop and manage your digital industrial complex. By owning and building on a tier 1 to 5 land NFT, you can extract fuel and sell it for ETH. That is huge, right? But this is not something that a lot of people are really looking to play when it comes down to Alluvium, in my opinion, right? This isn't going to be the big selling point for it. These next two are going to be the big selling point. Alluvium Overworld, which is an open world exploration game. Navigate through the vibrant, colorful world as you explore the map, harvest and forge materials, and attempt to catch the alluvials. Then you have the Alluvium Battle Arena, which is a 3D auto battler with team fight tactics to capture alluvials discovered in open world, right? You must defeat them in the battle arena. The battle arena is also PvP. So I think these are the two big selling points for Alluvium right now. Of course, more are going to be coming. Now with Alluvium, they have made their overworld private beta 2 available, allowing users to explore a larger part of the world, new locations, enhancing game elements, and he says he can't wait for this to become popular in Q4. Now, Alluvium Overworld seems like it's going to be a very streamable game here that people are going to want to be playing. Now, I believe for Web3 game and crypto game to succeed, it needs to be adopted in a streamable way, right? Meaning influencers, gamers play it on like Twitch, Kick, Rumble, whatever it may be, where the viewers are just sitting there watching this game, and then they themselves go ahead and play the game. All it takes is one big influencer help this game get adopted. We've seen with other different games that get adopted because of big influencers. Now if they get someone like Ninja to play this game here, that would be a huge achievement for Alluvium. So let's just say Alluvium goes back to its all-time high of $1,911. That would be a market cap of $10.8 billion, right? Now, all you would need is 534 Alluvium, which is roughly around $22,000 to make $1 million. That may not be in your wheelhouse, or maybe something that you want to allocate to just one altcoin. Recently, Alluvium had their governance update, right, where basically they had the ICCP 11 proposal for visual distinct alpha stamp for wave 1 alpha. They also have it for their Alluvatars wave 2 cell, and they had it for their ascendant arena rule structure revision for equipable participation. So this is more development that is happening right now with the DAO. Here, Thetan, the influencer manager for Illuvium, puts out a bullish thread, right, comparing it to the largest auto battler, Teamfight Tactics, which is ranked the 17th most viewed game on Twitch out of 100k games. That shows that there is huge demand for this game genre in the entire gaming market. There were 198,000 unique broadcast streaming TFT in the last 360 days. Now, out of those, basically the top channels garnered 4.8 million watch hours. Now, Teamfight Tactics has 33 million monthly players. The team are bullish that we're building a product that is even better than TFT, right? But let's be conservative with the numbers and say we're only able to take 10% of the market share. That will result in 3.3 monthly players for Alluvium. Actually, at its peak in February 20, had an average of 2.7 monthly players, which means hypothetically Alluvium would have more players than actually did in its prime if it just did that 3.3 monthly players. So let's just jump to this conclusion real quick. In conclusion, with Alluvium PvP coming out this quarter and open beta scheduled for Q4, Alluvium is positioned incredibly well with very little competition to grab a considerable amount of market share and offer an alternative competitive experience in auto battler genre. And he gives out a bonus fact here that basically the second most watched Twitch streamer, this K3 Soju, right, is the biggest TFT streamer in the world. So if they're able to get this guy to play Alluvium, that would be huge in terms of, you know, the adoption and what people want to watch play. Like I said, you need to be able to build a streamable game here. So if TFT has the second biggest streamer in the world, that means their game is very streamable. And if that game is not better than Alluvium, right, then Alluvium has the potential to become a big streamable game. So if Alluvium had the market cap of $22.5 billion, which would just be a 2x from his previous all-time high, you would just need a little bit over 10k to make $1 million. Now that may be in some people's wheelhouse. It is getting closer to people's wheelhouse, but I got some hopium for you guys, some big hopium. As you guys can see, Alluvium 0 tech updates has happened here from July 17th to the 21st. They have been building out on Alluvium 0. Now, here are some big milestones ahead for Alluvium's open beta. Safely pool filled with Alluvium beyond Wave 2, revenue distribution activated, PvP beta kicks off. That is big, player versus player. PvP showcased by League of Legends TFT pros. We just talked about this, guys. If these streamers are able to play this game and like the game, that means these games are streamable, and that is going to get a lot of adoption. Could be mass adoption, right? Arena, Overworld, and Zero launch. Skins, blast, battle boards, emotes, and album skins become purchasable, right? Target the first 1 million players. Buckle up for epic bull run. So let's say this epic bull run ends up happening in the next bull run, right, for Alluvium. Alluvium could hit a market cap of $56.3 billion. One Alluvium will be worth $10,000. That would be an upside of 242x, where you would just need $4,300 to make $1 million, guys. What do you guys think about that? Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below, and if you guys haven't subscribed to it yet, please do so. We're on that road to 20k subscribers. If you guys want to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button, and I'll check you guys later. Peace, YouTube.